Welcome to my TimeTracker app that I created using Ruby on Rails. It's meant to allow you to collaborate with other users by creating projects and adding time entries to indicate how long you've worked and collaborated on that project. So initially you can sign up. You have the option to sign up with Facebook. I use OmniAuth. Just wanted to highlight that I have added validations to all my forms. Just as an example, once you have signed up with the correct password, you will be brought to the dashboard. So on the left we have our recent activity, so who has worked on what and for how long. And then it's also showing you all of your projects that you have created yourself. And from here you can also create a project and add an entry as well. I'm going to go on the top here, your time entries. This just shows for this user all of the time entries they have entered. So anytime they've worked on something, this is where it's noted. We've also got the total hours down here, 38, along with notes and the date. So you can also filter by projects. If we only want to see what we've worked on for this specific project, Space Fashion Show, we can see, all right, we've worked three different things for a total of 13 hours. Great, and I will also show you your projects, again, just more details about your specific projects, including the status and the total hours you've worked on them. You can also view all of the projects, so these are all the projects that have been created by the users. You can even view more details on them as well. So let's see here what is currently in progress. We can filter that and see, okay, there's one project that is currently in progress and how many hours have been worked on it. I'm going to click on a specific one just so we can see the show page for Space Fashion Show. So on the top you have the owner, status, and deadline. You can only edit and delete if you are the owner of this project. I'll just show you what it looks like. For example, here we can change the status. Maybe it's losing money. Terrible. Got to update it. And we will see that it's been successfully updated. If you want to delete this project, you can. It will prompt you, though, that all time entries that are related to this will be deleted, just kind of as a double check as well. And down below we have the project activity. And you can only delete entries if you have created them yourself. I'll show you what it's like to add an entry. Say we worked on this a couple hours. I'll create the entry. And we can see down below, this is the entry that we have added. And our total hours have updated. I can delete it as well. It'll notify us that it's been successfully deleted, and again, total hours have been updated. I'll show you as well what it's like to create a new project. This is what the form looks like. Again, I've added validations to these, so just to make sure that everything at least has a name or note. Call this new project. See, say the deadline is end of the month. It's just started, we can create it. And now we'll see it's been successfully created. It doesn't have any activity yet, but we could then start to add time entries, and other users could add time entries to this as well. So overall, that's the basic functionality of my app. Thank you very much for watching.